Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. It's been a while, but I did manage to get a couple new releases for you guys and I'm so excited. These are going to be in the shop and I'm also going to have a discount code in the description box so you can get these for a little bit off. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, so the first kit is called Magical Winter. This is actually a reformat from last year. Hopefully you guys can tell what it looks like. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. But I love it. It's just so pretty. And I loved this one last year, so I was so excited to bring it back. So you have your full boxes, you have your functional sheet, your headers and little things, your full box checklists. It's like so hard to get the colors on camera because they're so light and the lights are so bright. Then you have your date covers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and your washi sheet, which look at that glitter washi. Anyway, all right, so that is the full kit. We also have it in mini kit format, which again, it's just your full boxes, functional sheet, date covers and quarter boxes and half boxes, and then your washi sheet with some headers and like some bill dues and habit trackers. So that is the mini kit. So these are the glitter headers to match that, and they don't like match as far as like the color matching, but you've got some silver and then the blue like ombre, which matches. Like, this is actually what the artist of that clip art came up with for glitter for that kit. So it matches the kit, but it doesn't like color match, if that makes sense. And of course you have the Hobonichi kit in Magical Winter, and you have your first page, which just looks like that. It has some boxes, your washi for the bottom and top, your date covers, and then you have this like big Monday through Sunday checklist, some habit trackers, a weekend banner, heart checklist, stuff like that. And then on the back page you just have all of your functional stuff and some half boxes. And if you guys didn't know, I have actually discontinued all of the mini Happy Planner kits, and they are currently on the website in the retired section. So all of them are retiring for every collection we've put up. So if you want to get those, I suggest grabbing them soon, because I believe I'm going to take them down. I said I was going to take them down Friday, but this video is going up on Thursday, so I want to give you guys a little bit more time. So they will actually they will be taken down next Tuesday, because I get back from my cruise. Well, I get back Monday, but I will take everything down on Tuesday. So you have until Tuesday to grab those if you guys like mini Happy Planner kit stuff. So this kit is so beautiful. I love it so much. This is our sweater weather kit, and you guys, these full boxes, like, I don't even know if the camera is even picking up the colors, but like, I love it. It just screams fall to me, and I'm just like, yes, I cannot wait to put that in my planner. Then you have your functional sheet, which just has, you know, all your functional stuff. You have your headers and little things, your full box checklists, date covers and half boxes, and then your washi and some more functional stuff. And that is the sweater weather full kit. Next we have the mini kit, which just has your full boxes again, functional sheet, date covers and half boxes. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. Washi, some headers, and then some more functional stuff. And of course, to go along with that, we have glitter headers. Oh, I just love these colors, you guys. And finally, we have the sweater weather Hobonichi kits, or kit, not kits. Just looks like that, super simple. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. All right, guys, so that is it for new releases this week. I know it's not a lot, but it's what I had time to get done. I'm planning on doing a bigger release 2 weeks from today, the day that you're watching this, Thursday, September 12th. I'm planning on doing a bigger release for that. Not for September 12th. You're watching this on September 12th. For 2 weeks from now, I plan on doing a bigger release, but this is just what I had time to get done right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave in the comments which one's your favorite. Mine is definitely sweater weather, although I do like magical winter also, but I definitely think my favorite right now is sweater weather because it's almost fall time and I'm so excited. So let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is, and don't forget to click subscribe if you guys are new here and want to join our family. I make videos on tons of planner stuff, new releases, behind the scenes, anything like that. So make sure you click that subscribe button if you guys are interested in that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.